Motor City Miner here, coming at you from my house again, and we finally have it. We have the third in our three-way comparison test for the driving crypto miners. We have the MapMetrics, and as you can see, so this guy ships from overseas, whereas the other two ship from the United States. So you can see for comparison here, we've got our three all lined up. Obviously, the dashcam Hivemapper is the largest of the bunch, so we got the biggest box, followed closely by the DIMO miner at the second largest box. But man, this MapMetrics box is tiny. Now, I did kind of expect this, to be honest, because this is just a GPS puck for in your car. There's nothing else to it. Whereas the DIMO, has essentially like a Raspberry Orange or Pi in it with cellular service, and the Hivemapper is obviously a camera. So, got this guy here, and we're gonna open up and see what we're in for. All right, so we got that seal broken. Yeah, let's see what's inside. Whoa, dropping the ball. All right, so you can see that they have three different colors for different modes of transportation, whether it's motorcycle / moped, bicycle, or automobile. Obviously, I am comparing everything in an automobile, specifically my Subaru Outback. So, looks like we got a charging cable. Great. And this is the puck. This thing is, wow, this is light. This is definitely, I mean, it's still pretty large. Maybe, honestly, it might actually be about the same size as the DIMO, to be honest. But definitely thinner and definitely lighter. So let's take it out of this package here. There you go. That's all it is. Now they do have the three different colors because they are geared towards different top speeds and whatnot. So that's how they kind of limit you. And I'm not really sure what. I'd have to do a little more research, but I'm not really sure why they wouldn't just make one that could work at all the different speeds, unless they're really trying to track, biking versus moped riders versus automobile. But yeah, again, just wanted to have all the big three. We got the big three in Detroit. Figured get the big three automobile driving miners. So that's what we got. We got our MapMetrics. Get this set up. The other two are already set up, and we'll have an official kickoff video with all three in the car, showing you my setup, where they all go. But yeah, other than that, we got our MapMetrics, DIMO mount, and the Hivemapper, all in the house, and almost all in my car, minus this one. And we will be back with a future video to start our long-term comparison test between these three car miners. So really excited to see the results and see how these do. So I'm gonna have that kickoff video, and I am thinking of doing a 1 month profitability, both if you had cashed out every day on each of the three coins, or hodl. And then after that 1 month, maybe we'll do like maybe a 3 month, and then a 6 month, and then a whole year. I thought it'd be cool to really see, like, over a whole year how these three stack up. So we'll have a couple check-ins over the next year on how these are doing. And again, I'll present numbers both on if you had cashed out every day or if you were hodling. I personally am very, bullish on anything related to automobile, information. And I think mobility is a big part of the world and will always be. So I'm going to be hodling personally, but I will get that, if you had cashed out, calculated as well. So again, like, subscribe, and follow, and you will soon see a follow-up video with me officially kicking off this three-way comparison test in my car in the near future. That's it for now. Until next time.